Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating English word. Our word of the day is desk. What is a desk? Well, simply put, a desk is a table for working. It's usually used in an office or at home, often for writing, reading, or using a computer. So, if you imagine a flat surface where you sit to do your homework or work, that's very likely a desk. You could say, I do my homework at my desk. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to desk. These are called synonyms. One synonym is work table. You might hear someone say, the carpenter built a sturdy work table for his workshop. Another synonym could be writing table, especially if the desk is mainly used for writing. For example, she sat at her writing table, composing a heartfelt letter. You could also consider bureau, although this often implies drawers for storage. He kept important documents in the bureau under his desk. We could even use counter, especially if it's a raised desk in a shop or a reception area. Please leave your keys on the counter at the front desk. Now, let's think about antonyms, words that are the opposite of desk. This is a little trickier because a desk is primarily a surface for work. So, we need to think about places we don't usually work. A bed is a good example. You might relax in bed, but it's not typically a place for focused work. I like to read in bed, but I do my studying at my desk. Another antonym could be couch or sofa. These are places for lounging and relaxing, not usually for work. He watched TV on the couch after a long day at his desk. Perhaps even floor could be considered an antonym. While you could work on the floor, it's not as convenient or comfortable as using a desk. The children were playing on the floor while I worked at my desk. Now, let's look at how the word desk is used in everyday life. You might say, I have a messy desk at work that I need to organize. Or, the teacher asked me to put my books on my desk. Think about a receptionist. They often sit behind a desk to greet visitors. The receptionist sits at the front desk to assist visitors. Another common expression is desk job, which refers to a job that involves working at a desk, typically in an office. He has a desk job in a large corporation. Let's put desk into some more sentences. She bought a new desk for her home office. The desk was covered in papers and books. He leaned against the desk, listening intently. The computer is on the desk. I found my keys on the desk this morning. The desk is made of wood. The student sat at the desk, ready to begin the exam. The manager's desk was always neat and organized. She left a note on my desk. The intern tidied up the desk before leaving at 5 p.m. He hammered the nail on the desk carefully. The architect spread his blueprints across the desk. She keeps a small plant on her desk to brighten her workspace. The ergonomic desk helped improve her posture. He spent hours at his desk writing his novel. The antique desk had several hidden compartments. The desk calendar reminds me of upcoming meetings. She cleaned her desk with a disinfecting wipe. The adjustable desk allows him to stand while working. The mail arrived and was placed on his desk at 10 a.m. The desk lamp provided ample light for studying. He found a scratch on his new desk. She organized her stationery supplies in the desk drawer. The desk chair was very comfortable. He spilled coffee on his desk this morning. The student left his homework assignment on his desk overnight. The desk fan kept him cool during the summer months. The business owner sat at their desk, making important decisions. The CEO's office has a large desk. I received the package on my desk yesterday. The desk organizer is full of pens and pencils. The desk is the central part of the room. I usually sit on my desk at 2 p.m. The old desk was passed down from her grandfather. To recap, a desk is a table for working. Synonyms include work table, writing table, bureau, and even counter, depending on the context. Antonyms could include bed, couch, sofa, or even the floor, as these are not typically surfaces used for working. We use the word desk in many everyday situations, from talking about our own messy desk to describing someone with a desk job. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word desk helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we really appreciate it. Now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word desk and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.